Right, guys. All right. What is going on with Bitcoin? What is going on at this moment? Guys, Bitcoin is once again exploding. It's once again exploding, and we just have to go live again. We just have to go live. Let me prepare this chart over here. It has been absolutely exploding in the recent hour, at least. In the recent hour, it has just been going up and up and up towards the upside, grinding slowly towards the upside, but this hour just was absolutely insane. And yeah, right now in that short term, we are just correcting ever so slightly, still consolidating over here, but guys, still what you can clearly see is the trend is towards the upside, and we are looking to be actually going parabolic towards the upside. If we're going to be drawing this curve over here, you can be very clearly seeing it. Right now, we are going parabolic towards the upside. We are creating exponential new highs. So even if we're going to be seeing a slight little correction right now in that imminent short term back towards the downside, I do believe that in the coming few hours we are going to be getting yet another massive move towards the upside. Guys, today is a very bullish day. Why is today a very bullish day? It is of course because of the FOMC meeting we got yesterday. We saw this 0.5% interest rate cut, and the FOMC meeting in general was kind of bullish. Now, yesterday, during the meeting itself, we did not see a lot of volatility towards the upside, but yeah, more kind of after the meeting. After the meeting, we really went and broke towards the upside. Honestly, I did not expect that. Honestly, because during the stream I was saying, alright, we're still having this level of resistance, and during the stream we were not breaking out towards the upside, right? So during the stream I did not expect it, but in that night we actually still got a break towards the upside, and today I updated you about this exactly. Yeah, we are still trading at this low level at around 51 or 61.8k level, and I was warning you about the fact that we are looking bullish, because still the Bitcoin funding rates, wow, I don't even have words for this, man. Over on Bybit, the funding rates are even negative, while we are seeing this insane push towards the upside at this moment. Guys, I don't think many of you guys understand how bullish this is. I don't think many of you guys understand how bullish this is, because Bitcoin is literally creating an extremely bullish market structure over here. It's right now on the verge of testing this previous high over here, and still people are shorting like crazy. We are in this very bullish bull flag scenario over here, and yes, I get it. We have been consolidating inside of this bull flag over here for many months right now. Many months. People are losing hope. People are literally commenting on my videos, commenting on my tweets, commenting on my posts that it's over. We are in a bear market right now. People are commenting this all of the time, and I understand it. People are losing hope inside of this range over here. But yeah, right now people are literally shorting the market while the market is actually looking very bullish, and that is exactly what we need in order to push even higher. Because, for example, a very good scenario I always like to show is going to be from this previous cycle over here, and let me grab it once again, because I even talked about it in today's update video. Look, last cycle as well, we did not really push above that previous all-time high. We only pushed above that previous all-time high when everyone lost hope. Alright, because these CME gaps were playing out, right? First of all, we got this one over here. It looked like we were... first of all, we even got a liquidity grab above that previous all-time high. It looked like we were gonna fill this CME gap over here. We did not. We created another CME gap. So right now, at this stage over here, everyone was losing hope. Everyone was thinking, alright, right now, we have to come down to fill our CME gaps, because everyone was just trapped because of this one over here and because of this one over here. So everyone believed we were gonna go lower, but we did not. All right, everyone was losing hope, and that's the reason why we got this insane push towards the upside. So right now I'm seeing the same thing happening in the market now. Oh, it's a different scenario, of course, because every single cycle is going to be different, but we're going to be seeing the same thing playing out over on this timer over here, right? Each and every single time we try to be breaking above that previous all-time high. We did not. We just create lower highs each and every single time. We did not even break above our previous highs. created this consolidation. Right now, people are losing hope. And even if we're going to be having a look in towards a Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, I still believe, yeah, we're at these neutral levels. And yesterday, even at levels of fear. Literally, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I'm more bullish than ever before at this current level, while other people are literally fearful at these current levels. So, literally, history is going to be repeating. People are losing hope. And exactly at the moment where people are losing hope, that's going to be the moment where we are going to be breaking even further towards the upside. I would not be surprised to, in the coming few days to the coming few weeks, that we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside. Actually, if we're going to be having a look in towards this month of September, of course, I did still expect that September... I'm sorry, guys. I did still expect that September is going to be more kind of a bearish month. Now, we are seeing a plus 6% month in September. Could this time around be different? I don't know. I would still go with the flow, go with the trend, and say that September is going to be more likely a bearish month. But also, Q4 in general, October, November, December, are going to be the most bullish months of this year, especially because we're in a halving cycle this year. And like you can be seeing in halving cycles, we always pumped like crazy towards the upside in Q4. So I don't know. This time around could be a little bit different. I would not bet against that this month is going to be bullish. I would not bet against it. This month could definitely be bullish. But I mean, yeah, just still stick with the trend. September has previously around been bearish. All right, we have so many more charts to discuss, but this was just going to be the beginning of this live stream, because this is going to be the most important thing to right now have a look in towards. Whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be getting higher again, that's going to be the moment where people are going to be getting excited again. And when people are going to be getting excited again, that's going to be the moment where we should be getting cautious. Not right now, not right now. It is still looking like we are about to push even higher. And even having a look into what's that imminent short term right over here. Yes, we are looking to be pumping even more right now at this current moment in that short term. Guys, this is looking absolutely lovely. If we can be continuing this parabolic trend towards the upside, it is looking like we're going to be headed so much higher today. This is going to be the next level of resistance we need to be having a look in towards. Honestly, last time around, this was a little bit of a weird place to be getting a rejection from. But regardless of that, because we got this rejection last time from of this level, it's going to be a very important level right now at this moment. Why? Because we have been trading inside of this downtrend over here, right? Creating lower lows. All right, this is going to be very important, but also at the same time creating lower highs. And this was the most previous lower high. Now, about the lower lows, we are seeing a little bit of a shift in trend already, right? Creating this equal low and arguably this lower high with this, if you're going to be counting the wicks. But this high over here, this lower high is going to be very important, because if we're going to be reaching it again, if we're going to be breaking above that lower high, then we're going to be flipping this downtrend in towards an uptrend. All right, breaking above this previous high over here, then we're going to be breaking it in towards an uptrend officially. And that's going to be very important, because when that is going to happen, I think the likelihood of us actually breaking this bull flag pattern towards the upside is going to be so much higher. And we're really about to see it. If we're going to be breaking this one towards the upside, guys, we are about to explode towards the upside, in my opinion. So let's have a look in towards a live chat right now at this moment. Guys, we are right now live with 45 people in the stream. Guys, great to have you all guys in the stream. Welcome to the stream. Today is going to be an absolutely insane one. Make sure to slap up that like button, because we're live right now with 45 people in the stream. Only 12 likes. We can at least smash it up to at least 30 likes. Let's do it, guys. What's up, Trader PA? Welcome to the stream. Pure Alpha, slap up the likes. What's good? My Ethereum trade is back in the positive, and yes, man. The altcoins especially. Altcoins are just absolutely exploding towards the upside. This is absolutely lovely to see. And guys, I don't know if you remember it correctly. I don't know if you remember it correctly, because today I've even been sharing this on my Twitter profile. Look, last week I've been sharing these altcoins that you should be accumulating during this dip, that you should be buying. And if we're going to be having a look into these altcoins right now, well, first of all, of course, Ethereum, Solana, Kaspa, all of that good stuff, right? It's going to be the normal kind of altcoins. But here we're going to be getting started with the real juicy stuff, right? Pepe, Fetch AI, BitTensor Tau, Render, Beam, EOS, Ondo, Sui, Phantom, Stacks, Athena, and here the first other coins that I'm accumulating, Popcat. Alright, Popcat. And all of these other altcoins over here. And if we're going to be having a look into what's the top gainers for today, guys, this is absolutely insane. Popcat over here, number one with 35% on the day. Absolutely insane. We need to be analyzing Popcat a little bit later in the stream. But also, the number two, Say. I've also included it over here. Also a coin that I've been accumulating. Say. It's a number two. Alright, BitTensor, the third coin. Literally, I've also included this one very high up. Also, Thea, right here as well in my list. Next one. Sui, also very high up in my list. Fetch AI, also very high up in my list. With, I think I have included it, yeah, right here in my other coins. Boom. Guys, I can go on and on and on. Here, Beam, also very high up in my list. I've been sharing over here. Then after that, Stacks, also very high up in the list. Then after that, we're going to be going in towards some other coins such as AVAX. I don't really like AVAX for if you want to go with the most amount of gains. The Graph, I don't really like it either. I don't think it's gonna be pumping that much this cycle. The Graph has been going through a lot of inflation. But then we're going to be having Phantom, also very high up in my list. Phantom has been absolutely killing it. Yeah, and then you're going to be having other coins such as Brad, Jupiter also in my list, Injective in my list, Render very high up in my list, Ondo in my list, Pepe. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Solana, Arbitrum in my list. Absolutely crazy. And even on the second page, let's have a look at what else is pumping. Mark is pumping, also very high up in my list. Yeah, looking good. Athena also pumping right now, 10%. Very good. All altcoins are right now pumping. All of the altcoins are pumping towards the upside. Absolutely lovely to see it. And I've even touched on this today in today's daily update video. But the thing is that the Bitcoin dominance hasn't really even decreased yet. Guys, just imagine, right? Right now, we are already seeing these 30% gains. Right now, we are already seeing these 30% gains with Popcat, for example, over here, right? But just imagine what is going to be happening if we're also going to be seeing the Bitcoin dominance decreasing. All of the money from Bitcoin will be starting to flow in towards altcoins. Altcoins will be pumping even more significantly than Bitcoin will be doing. Guys, this is going to be getting absolutely insane. I just think we're still going to be seeing it this cycle. I think it is going to be happening whenever this bull flag is going to break out towards the upside. Whenever this bull flag is going to break out towards the upside, that's going to be the moment where these altcoins are going to explode even more towards the upside. Now, let's have a look in towards the 7 day. 7 day. I've not had a look. Yeah, it's the same exact altcoins. Beam, Phantom, Sui, BitTensor, Popcat, Celestia, Dog with Hat, Say, Fetch AI, Jupiter, Pepe. Guys, this is absolutely lovely to see. I hope you have been accumulating. Like I've said so many times. This took me so much time to write this entire thread over here. It took me literally like 3 or 4 hours to write all of it and do all of the research. So I hope you have taken this thread and have been accumulating some of these altcoins over here. Because if you did, well, you're up massively. You're up massively today. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin correcting ever so slightly back in that short term. Anyways, consolidating a little bit over here. I think eventually we are still going to be having an exciting stream with maybe potentially a little bit of a further breakout towards the upside. I think just in general today has been absolutely lovely already, but it's going to be getting even more crazy. it's going to be getting even more crazy. And the crazy thing for me is, honestly, you can already kind of hear it in my voice, right? I'm getting a little bit euphoric at this moment, maybe it's because of the altcoins which are pumping like crazy. But if we're going to be having a look into what's a general market sentiment, what others are thinking, so the broader spectrum, well, other people are not bullish at all yet. Yesterday, they were even fearful. While Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside. If this doesn't tell you that we're about to go even higher, guys, I don't know what will. Because I'm seeing only bullish things right now in the market. Even the stock market, we can just go on and on and on. Even the stock market reaching these previous all-time highs right now at this current moment. Guys, we are about to break it anytime soon. If we're going to be breaking this previous all-time high over here, guys, I think Bitcoin is going to be making a huge catch-up trade. And I think Bitcoin is going to be following the stock market shortly after. I've been sharing this so many times. Whenever the stock market is going to be breaking above this previous all-time high, right, going to be creating some follow-through, Bitcoin is going to be following shortly after. I still think it's going to be happening. It's going to be so likely. And if we're going to be having a look in towards gold, we can see that gold is going absolutely exponential. Over here. But, guys, gold always moves first. And then Bitcoin follows after. You can be seeing it in the previous cycle. Gold moved exponentially towards the upside first, then Bitcoin followed. Also, for example, in the bear market, I've gotten these, I think I can search it up even. Yesterday I saw this other post. Yep, here. We always see gold moves first here, right? This black line is the gold chart, and then the orange line is the Bitcoin chart. Right here, at this top over here, we saw gold topping out first. And creating this insane move towards the downside. Then Bitcoin followed just like 3 months after. Right here as well. Gold already topped out right over here. Then Bitcoin followed about 3 months after. Right here, we saw a huge pump for gold. And then 3 months after, we saw Bitcoin also creating a slight little recovery towards the upside. It was not a huge move, right? But we were trading inside of this bear market for Bitcoin. Right here, same thing. Gold first moved towards the upside, then Bitcoin bottomed out as well. All right, right here, same thing. Gold created this exponential move towards the upside, huge move towards the upside. This was absolutely crazy. And then after that, Bitcoin catched up also like crazy with gold. Right now, guys, this is like the biggest divergence that has been happening arguably. Because Bitcoin has still been just consolidating sideways inside of this bull flag over here. Well, let me grab this chart. Where is it? Gold. All right, there we go. Well, gold has been going absolutely parabolic towards the upside. So this is going to be a huge divergence that is being created right now. So I'm sure that anytime soon we are going to be catching up with the gold chart. And we're going to be doing this with a huge Bitcoin pump towards the upside. So it's going to be very exciting, guys. It's definitely going to be very exciting. Bitcoin consolidating in the short term. I think we're still going to be seeing a big move, this stream getting created. Bitcoin is going parabolic at this moment. Maybe some kind of a falling wedge is being created at this moment. Maybe a bull-like pattern. But like I always say, I do not really care about these short-term patterns because they are not going to be very good to be traded. They're not going to be good to be traded. But it's always just going to be very fun to have a look into what's these charts. And towards these smaller time frame patterns, right? It's going to be actually fun to have a look into what's it. But it's not going to be reliable, of course. It's not going to be reliable. Anyways, let me have a look into what's the live chat. Because we are right now live with 60 people. Guys, you absolutely love this pump right now at this moment. You guys are absolutely loving this. And also the alpha that I'm dropping. Because always... Guys, in my daily update videos, I'm bringing the most important stuff. But always in these live streams, I always bring the most amount of alpha. It's literally crazy. Because, for example, this falling wedge over here, I found it live in the stream. In the live stream, I found this falling wedge in a live stream. Some of the altcoins I have found in a live stream. Right now, for example, this chart over here, I've just showed it in a live stream and I didn't show it in my daily update video. So that's why you always need to be watching these live streams. These live streams always, they're giving you the most amount of alpha. What are your thoughts on Solana, guys? I'm very bullish on Solana. Now, I think in the short term, Solana is actually kind of lagging behind, isn't it? Let's have a look at Solana against Bitcoin. Yeah, it's lagging behind right now, but that's maybe going to be a very good moment to actually accumulate right now at this current moment. It's sitting at a massive level of support at this current moment. Guys, I think eventually it's going to be seeing a huge breakout right over here. If we're going to be having a look in towards the Solana against the US dollar tether pair, yeah, it's bouncing ever so slightly towards the upside, but not anything like Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is bouncing like crazy towards the upside. Solana is still kind of lagging behind. Now today, it's starting to pump. Today, it's starting to see this breakout over here. Today, it's starting to pump, just like Ethereum, for example, because Ethereum is also just lagging behind massively. This is absolutely insane. But today, it's been looking like it's starting to pump. I want to see Ethereum succeed. I still want to see Ethereum creating a big bounce, because still a majority of my portfolio is made of Ethereum. I don't like it. I don't like it because Ethereum against Bitcoin, it's been absolutely a shithole, right? It's been a shit storm, literally. It's been only going towards the downside ever since. But still, I do expect that eventually it's gonna catch up. Eventually, I still have big hopes on Ethereum. I just think the cycle is going to be repeating, and last cycle as well, we have seen eventually Ethereum just blasting off towards the upside, right? I just think eventually we're going to be seeing a big bounce being created. Now, I don't know when, but I'm still just going to be holding my Ethereum. Anyways, Bitcoin in the short term actually dumping a little bit towards the downside, dumping a little bit, testing right now this parabola. So let's see if we're going to be holding this. And not ending this pump right now. Because actually, if we're going to be having a look into towards the hourly time frame, I think we're not creating a bearish divergence. No, maybe yeah, on these smaller time frames we are, but how accurate is going to these smaller time frames are not going to be as accurate, of course. What are your thoughts on Jasmine coin? I don't really like Jasmine coin because it's going to be a coin from the previous cycle, and the chart is absolutely wrecked, which I don't like. What about Myro? Still accumulating, guys. I still own my Myro. I still own relatively a lot of Myro for my portfolio. I still own it, guys. And to be honest, this chart is looking beautiful. This chart is looking beautiful. Now, it's already the case with Myro. Just like with Brett, I already made all of my money with Myro. So I don't really care anymore. I'm just back holding my leftover moon back. Because honestly, with Myro, here. I don't think, yeah, this is the correct chart. With Myro, is this the correct chart? Yes, all right. So with Myro, I've been witnessing this entire pump towards the upside over here. Now, I didn't buy in towards the FOMO, but then it dipped all the way. So this insane correction created this double bottom, and I bought it like crazy at this double, even at this double bottom, where my first buys already, but at this double bottom breakout over here, at this neckline breakout, I went all in. Not like all in, but like I bought so much Myro, and I rode this entire trend towards the upside. Then I saw it like consolidating eventually over here. That was the moment where I loaded off majority of my bags, but I still was holding a lot of it. Still for my moon back, because always I'm selling off a lot of my tokens, but still I will be holding on towards a moon back, and I'm still holding my moon back right now. I even bought more during this dip over here. Now currently it's still down a lot. eventually I do think that this chart looks very good at these bottoms over here. I think this chart is looking very good. Myro is one of the coins with very good branding and very good exchange listing, sitting at a 70 million or 80 million US dollar market cap. So definitely sitting very, very low. I like Myro a lot. I'm going to be holding on, but I'm not going to be buying more. Just like with Breath, for example. With Breath, the case is just that I bought all of my Breath during this exact bottom over here. Literally this bottom over here. I've bought all of my Breath over here. I've been selling it almost exactly at the top. Once again, with meme coins, I've been absolutely killing it, guys. I've been absolutely killing it. But I'm still holding it. I'm still holding my my moon back. Now, I do think this chart honestly is looking very good to be buying in right now. But if I already made a lot of money with a certain coin, I'm not going to be scaling in it again because I'm never marrying a coin. If I made money with a coin, I'm just going to be leaving it behind, scaling in towards the next one, and forget about the coin. So Myro Brad, I absolutely love the coin, made a lot of profit from these these coins. And if you have been following me on my Twitter, you did the same. You also made a lot of profits from all of these coins. But it's time to move on towards the next one. And for example, I've been moving on here, this tweet over here. I've been moving on towards scaling more towards Pepe, for example. I just think Pepe is going to be one exception. I think Pepe is going to be one of the best coins for the cycle. WIF, I've been scaling more towards WIF. I think it was an absolutely great accumulation over here. I've been scaling in towards Turbo, scaling more in towards Mew Mew. By the way, Mew Mew already has been making me a lot of profits, but I think Mew Mew still is about to go even higher. Scaling a lot of in towards Popcat and Mog. Where's Mog on this list? Did I not include it? Alright, I did not include it. Alright, so let's have a look at Popcat first of all. Popcat has been absolutely exploding today. So let's have a look at Popcat. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy over here. Yep, so Popcat, I've been... we can even go back on my Twitter, right? I've been absolutely... Like, maybe I have made the most amount of money right now with trading meme coins. Maybe not even with trading Bitcoin. Maybe like with trading... So August 24th, I've been making my first entries over on Popcat. I've been sharing it on my Twitter. I've been sharing it in my live streams. So August 24th, we can go back in time. It was actually... Was it during this time over here? It was. But I don't remember buying this high. I still remember like buying it at a crucial level of support. I don't remember buying at this. I remember buying it on a down day when it was down. So I just need to go back in time and look at my buys exactly. But if I'm going to be having a look into what's my coin market cap portfolio tracker, I'm seeing that I'm up massively. So I must have bought over here. Anyways, Popcat, a coin that I'm buying right now. Mog as well. Mog, I've been buying it at this range over here. Mog, I'm very certain I bought it at the exact bottom. But Mog still, I think it's about to explode. Here, you can go back on my Twitter feed. There we go. Just bought Mark here. This was at the exact bottom. Pepe, I've been buying a lot more of Pepe. Pepe Star. Oh, this looks so bullish. This looks so bullish in my opinion. Yeah, multiple things we can have a look into towards. First of all, this downtrend over here, where currently it's trying to be breaking above, right? Currently, we're trying to be breaking above this downtrend over here. Secondly, good accumulation over here with a little bit of a rounding bottom. Let me actually create a second video about Pepe today. Because I know you guys love Pepe. I know you guys love Pepe. If I'm going to be having a look towards my my channel, most popular video, it was actually Pepe. Pepe is going to overtake Dogecoin. Actually, it's in this bull market, and here's why. So yeah, Pepe, I still think it's going to be overtaking Dogecoin. Now, anyways, I'm going to be making a second video about Pepe today because you absolutely love Pepe, and I think it's at a good range right now. It's looking very beautiful and very bullish at this moment. Anyways, the next one, dog with hat. Dog with hat. Yeah, good accumulation range over here. Same with Pepe. This is looking very similar to Pepe because it's also similar in terms of market cap, right? Good accumulation range at this listing level of Binance. Trying to be breaking above this downward sloping resistance. If it's gonna break above this one, guys, we're going to be headed so much higher. We're going to be headed so much higher. Let's have a look into what's the next altcoin. Turbo. I don't think Turbo is pumping that much. Nope, still in this range. Same with Dog with Hat. But Turbo also got his Binance listing, right? So that's mega bullish. That's going to be mega bullish. Anyways, let's have a look. Oh, Bitcoin is bouncing a little bit back towards the upside. Bitcoin is bouncing a little bit back towards the upside. Looking very good. Potentially, yeah, having a look towards this bull flag over here. Kaspa expected price by the end of this cycle. I think it's Kaspa can still pull easily a 10x from off this level. So looking very good. Let's have a look at Phantom. This is lovely to see. Yep. I would even already consider we have broken out over here. We have already broken out over here. So this is looking very good for Phantom. Phantom is definitely gonna break even higher. Let's have a look at Tau. Tau is finally pumping like crazy. It took some time. But finally we are pumping. Here, yep. Breaking out right now. Breaking above this resistance. Guys, right now is going to be the time. Let me make a tweet about this. Let me make a tweet about this now. Tau from Tau breaking out right now. There we go. There we go. Tau, I absolutely love Tau. It's funny how all of the top gainers are all of my buys. Literally, all of my top gainers. Oh, sorry. All of my buys are the top gainers. Let me make a tweet about that, actually. How can I word this correctly? Like, it's funny how every top gainer have been the coins I have been most bullish on. It's a half, right? I don't think this grammarly is correct. It's funny how every top gainer have been the coins I've been the most bullish on has been. I don't know. I think he knows it best. I'm not English myself, so actually let me schedule this tweet. Let me schedule this tweet. I'm sorry, guys. After this, we're going to be having a look into what's Bitcoin. There we go. Just schedule this. There we go. All right. So yeah, it's funny. Really funny. How every coin in this list is currently the top gainer. Bitcoin's still really not doing anything. I think we're going to be seeing a good stream over here with good volatility. I mean, Bitcoin is pumping, right? Let's see if we're going to be continuing this parabolic trend. Let's see if we can be continuing this. Anyways, if we today can be reaching these highs over here, these previous highs, guys, I think we're going to be seeing a little bit of consolidation. But we're going to be seeing it break very, very fast. I think it can be happening very, very quickly. If we're going to be reaching it right now, guys, we're breaking so bullish. We are going to be breaking so bullish. I don't know about you guys. But I myself am actually feeling very extremely bullish. Now, let me actually create a poll about this, because I'm very interested to know how you guys currently are thinking about the market. Are you actually bullish or bearish? So I'm gonna pick 2 price levels for the Bitcoin price, and you guys are gonna guess which level is gonna get hit first. Which level is gonna get hit first? First of all, I'm gonna grab the 67k. 67k, because that would mean this bull flag resistance, right? And in that case, I think we're going to be flipping bullish. But 67k, or what's going to be another level, or coming back towards 60k. Is that a good level? I mean, it's 3k towards the downside, then 4k towards the upside. Let's do 66k or 60k. All right, going to be a very easy poll. Start a poll. What is going to happen first for Bitcoin? 66k or 60k? There we go. Start poll. All right, so go towards the live chat, and guys, submit what you think. What's going to be more likely? 60k up or down? 60k or 66k? Breaking bullish or breaking bearish? What's going to be more likely, guys? What's going to be more likely? I mean, 60k is not going to be that far for a move towards the downside, right? It would not mean we're going to be breaking bearish, because if we're going to be going back towards that 60k level, we could just be retesting this breakout over here. So yeah, I'm not sure. I do think it's going to be more likely that we're going to be breaking bullish, honestly, because yeah, that liquidity is right now towards the upside, and funding rates are still negative. The funding rates are negative, guys. Over on Bybit, the funding rates are negative, which means that the majority of the market is right now actually already trading short. So right now, the majority of the polls are towards the upside. 67% thinks we're gonna break towards the 66k level. So you guys are bullish. You guys are bullish. Make sure to submit it with that live chat down below. Anyways, in the short term for Bitcoin, looking to be pumping. Let's see if we can be continuing this pump over here. That would be extremely bullish. What do you think about Ondo, man? Ondo has been, if you have been watching this list, Ondo has been very high up there. Place 11. So, I'm very bullish on Ondo. I'm very bullish on Ondo. Wolf on Ethereum is pumping. I don't hold any Wolf. I don't know which one it is. There are so many. I think it's this one. Nope. I don't know which one it is, but it's this one. Oh, that's nice. What do you think about KMNO? Yeah, I've had a look into what's this previously, but the chart looks good. It's a new shiny coin. Over on the Solana network, that's very good. But I think it was a DeFi project, yeah, with a high fully diluted valuation, which I don't like. I don't like this high fully diluted valuation. Now, you need to have a look into what's the team. What is the team doing? Is the team like a good team? Because if it's a good team, this fully diluted valuation doesn't matter. If it's gonna be a bad team, they're just gonna dump all of their tokens on the market, and the inflation matters a lot. So Bitcoin is coiling up again. Let's see if we can be continuing this. Let's see. And my portfolio, by the way, over on all of my ledger accounts, has hit a new all-time right now. So that's absolutely lovely to see. That is crazy. I love to see it. What about Cardano and Litecoin? These are like OG coins. OG. Which I don't like. I like new shiny coins of this cycle. Now, I do think that OG coins ultimately, during the later stages of this cycle, are gonna pump, which is not right now. I think the risk to reward is way better with these new shiny coins. So that's where I'm investing my money in. Thoughts on Jupiter? I like Jupiter a lot. It's included in my list. Here, Jupe. I like Jupiter a lot. Bitcoin is pumping. All right. Let's see if this can be breaking higher. Also, by the way, let's add some background music. I don't know which one to pick. Maybe this one. All right, there we go. Let me know if it's the sound, the volume is good. Let me know. Anyways, Bitcoin is trying to break even higher. Bitcoin is trying to break even higher. Might looking at Wolf. I mean, I don't hold it. I don't really. Bitcoin is pumping right now, so let's have a quick look. It's over on BitGet. BitGet Wolf. Yeah, I mean, it's the same like every other meme coin at this moment. Good accumulation over here. Nice rounding bottom. Right now, finally starting to pump. Trying to be breaking above this previous high over here. Yeah, starting to shape up nice. I mean, the chart looks good. The chart looks good. Put Minecraft for background music. Yep. Core, please. Core. I don't think the chart looks very good of core, right? Let's have a look. Trying to look one thing up and then... By the way, oh, Bitcoin just broke above its previous high. Looking very good. We're trying to break out even higher. Let's right now have a look into what's Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I think, is just stealing the show. Yep, definitely Bitcoin is stealing the show at this moment. I mean, altcoins, I think they're pumping as well, right? Because Bitcoin is breaking even higher. Yeah, altcoins are as well pumping right now. 1 hour. Not as much, actually. Not as much as I expected it. Getting a slight little pullback in. But anyways, yeah. This has been alright. I've been saying this stream is gonna get exciting. I think we're going to be seeing great pumps. This previous high over here is just gonna be acting as a magnet. There's literally no resistance in between this level and right now, like this level over here. So yeah, I think we're going to be reaching this previous high. And then we might be getting a rejection or anything like that, but right now we're trading inside of this trend. So I don't know, it's looking bullish also because the majority of the people right now, they are bearish. The majority of the people are bearish. Thanks, your X account content is the best for sure, man. I pay a lot of attention towards my content on X. What do you think about Sui, man? Sui is a very great coin. Sui has been making me a lot of money. By the way, also in 10 minutes, the stock market is gonna open. Let's have a look at, for example, Nvidia, how Nvidia is performing for the pre-market. Right there. Nvidia. The pre-market is up like crazy. All right. Apple as well. Guys, stock market is gonna pump. Stock market looks like it is about to pump. So, yeah, it makes sense that Bitcoin is pushing higher, right? Because in 10 minutes, the stock market is gonna open. I'm longing bread now. I think it's breaking the downtrending resistance. So, I would say it's a good moment, yeah. So let's see if Bitcoin can push even higher. thoughts on Sui? I'm very bullish on Sui, man. Sui has been making me a lot of money. Sui has been making me a lot of money. So I'm just very bullish on Sui. I think Sui is poised to go much higher. This bull market, always layer one competitors always tend to perform very well every bull market. I'm up 50% already. Very good. That's very nice. You must have bought the bottom like I did. Over on this thread. So yeah, I almost caught the perfect button. Well, that's great to see, man. It's great to see. But let's see if Bitcoin can also push even higher. Guys, 72% right now thinks that Bitcoin is gonna break towards that 66k level. Well, actually, the majority of the Bitcoin market is right now shorting. So, who knows, right? This is looking good. This is looking rather good. Thanks for your calls. Your Twitter has been very helpful. No problem, man. No problem. Let's see if... Yeah, Bitcoin is getting very close towards that previous high. The previous high over here is going to be very important. Any thoughts on Jasmy? I don't like the coin. I don't like Jasmy. Personally, because look at the chart. Look at the inflation that has been ongoing. I don't know, and also the coin itself, I don't like the coin because I don't even know what it does. Dollar cost average loss back now. Maybe, potentially, if you have your loss back, but I don't know. I would rather always dollar cost average on a dip. I never really like to scale in towards pumps. That's one thing I don't like. Anyways, watching the Bitcoin chart, actually coining up even more towards the upside. Looking very good. Let's see if indeed we can be breaking even higher over here. I mean, this is going to be the perfect setup in the market, right? What we're having right now is going to be like that perfect setup in the market. So I don't know, it would not surprise me if we're going to be headed even higher. I've said it in the beginning of the stream. Right here we're consolidating just quite a bit. But eventually I think we're going to be seeing more pumps. At least towards this high over here. Now after touching this high over here, I would expect we're going to be seeing some resistance. For like a few days, maybe leading in towards the weekend. Today it's of course a Thursday. Tomorrow is going to be a Friday. After that is going to be a weekend. So maybe leading in towards the weekend we can be seeing a slower weekend. But right now still I think it's going to be bullish. Say the value in USD of the levels. Alright, so the previous high is going to be coming in at a 64.2k approximately. But already starting from the 63.5k. So yeah. That's going to be the level to watch. Anyways, Bitcoin is decisively breaking above that 63k level right now. A clear break. Also in 3 minutes, the stock market is about to open. So let's see, because the stock market is about to arguably open bullish. I think the stock market is about to open up very bullish. That's also the reason why Bitcoin is already pumping towards the upside right now. Of course, front running the stock market. Hello my friend, you're going live again today. Are the live streams going to be more common from now on? Yes indeed, they are going to be more common. Whenever I'm home, not traveling, or whenever it's not going to be a weekend, whenever I'm just in general home, and whenever we're going to be seeing volatility, I will be going live. I will be going live. So absolutely love to see it right now, this Bitcoin pump over here. Wow. Very nice. Guys, you can't say I didn't tell you. Let's see, only 1 minute left until the stock market is going to be opening. That's going to be exciting. That's going to be exciting. Let's see at what the altcoins are doing. Yeah, on that hourly, it's pumping. Like 1%. It's good. Beat Kevin started the channel using Bitcoin as an indicator of how the stock market will do for the day 2. Yeah. Indeed. I think it's a pretty good measurement. But Bitcoin is just pumping right now because of the pre-market, I think. Do you have any trades open? No, not at the moment. I did not trade this breakout over here because of the FOMC meeting yesterday. Was too risky for me. And also it was night at the time of this breakout over here for me. So unfortunately missed that one. But for my next Bitcoin trade, I will be sharing it over on OKX with my copy trading. So with the first link down below, you can right now sign up and yeah. Follow me over on copy trading for my next Bitcoin trade, with also a 30% trading fee discount and a 60k deposit bonus. So that's absolutely insane. Anyways, look at that. Look at that. Crazy. New all-time high, guys. New all-time high for the stock market. Let's tweet about it. New stock market. All-time high. Bitcoin will be next. There we go. Yeah, Bitcoin of course already followed, right? Bitcoin already followed with the pre-market. So let's see if in the coming few days the stock market is just gonna see some continuation over here, guys. Bitcoin for sure is gonna be next. Let's see even if we if the stock market could like retest it. A retest right now would be very bullish. Now, 1.6% up on the day for the stock market. That's insane. Is there one more drop coming, or should I buy altcoins now? I think you should always buy more altcoins. And I don't know if a drop is coming, but yeah, no financial advice, of course. At least I'm always buying more. I'm always buying more every single dip. So yeah, beautiful pump over here, beautiful pump. Let's see if we can continue it higher, because of course, stock market already opened. Let's have a look at this level over here. Yeah, we're almost already reaching that 63.5k level. We are almost tagging it. So I don't know, if we're going to be reaching this level over here, then I think we're going to be seeing resistance. Then this move could be getting over. So yeah, we're getting close. Please, no more drops. We have been dropping for the past 3 months. It's been more because we've been inside of this consolidation for almost 8 months now. Here. 203 days. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. But I would almost consider it as 8. Because we started it, yeah, at nearly the end of the month. But we're nearly at 8 months now. Been buying all 7 months and got no more extra money for any more drops. Yeah, I've been very good the recent few months. But like recently, in the last, I think, week or so, I've been running out of money. But I think it's good. It's perfect timing. It's a perfect timing. Little bit of a rejection back towards the downside. By the way, this level of support is not really a level of support. It's just something fun to draw, right? It doesn't matter. You can easily like redraw it like this, boom, and it's still invalid. It's just to show that every single pump is getting more and more exponential. Also, it's on a low time frame, so it doesn't really matter that much. Do you think we keep pumping or correction incoming? So, having a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, they're negative over on Bybit, meaning people are shorting, which is a very bullish, extremely bullish. But having a look into what's the charts, I think first of all, we are going to be hitting this previous high over here, sitting at about that 64k level, 64k. And from off this level, we can definitely, we're almost touching it right now at this moment already, right? It's very, very close. It's very close. Now, from off this level, I do think we're going to be seeing some resistance in the coming few days and create some kind of consolidation. And then next week again, and then start off a very bullish week, or the week after. But yeah, continue the pump. I don't think we're going to be seeing a big retracement. But yeah, some consolidation is definitely going to be expected. Thoughts on Toncoin? I like Toncoin. ICP isn't moving. Well, I don't like a ICP at all. I think it's a shitcoin, so. I don't care about it. I don't really mind. I don't really mind. When you will take profit and exit, I'm going to have a look into what's on-chain indicators, euphoria, Fibonacci levels, and altcoins. When the altcoins will start to go euphoric. When you short or long Bitcoin, does it actually sell or buy actual Bitcoin from the spot market? Well, not from the spot market, but you're buying contracts from... So when you're shorting, you're buying literally, or you're providing contracts to another buyer. So it's a whole different market on its own. But it does influence the market. It does influence the price, if that's what you're asking. So let's see, the stock market is consolidating kind of over here, right? Yep. Not doing much. Bitcoin is also just consolidating over here. Do you not know, or what actually is it? If you're shorting, you're selling the Bitcoin to buy it back later. Isn't that like selling it on spot? Yes, if enough people short, price will go down. If enough people long, price will go up. So definitely influences the price, but it's like a completely different market on its own, and then all of the markets are kind of combined with arbitrage trading bots. Wish you better said you don't know. Well, that's how I know how it works. So I don't know, like that's how I've got it explained how it works. And it's also very logical, right? It makes a lot of sense. If you short, it's definitely influencing the price. But anyways, I don't think actually there's much more to talk about. We've discussed all of the important things, and price action for Bitcoin, in my opinion, looks to be kind of settling down. I do think we're going to be seeing some consolidation. Maybe we could be seeing another push up, but I do think it's going to be settling more kind of down, right? Now, this is still going to be like acting as a magnet. Or sorry, this one over here. This high at the 64k is still going to be acting as a magnet. This is going to be the most important level. But of course, I've been talking about this in my daily update video already. I mean, the stock market has reached a new all-time high. Let's see if we can be getting a retest in over here and then a push back up. Definitely an exciting thing, very bullish thing right now. Bullish development in the market. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I'll be closing the stream of today. Tomorrow, another very important stream and, of course, daily update video. So make sure to be checking that one out exactly. Also, if you're going to be getting interested in trading, make sure to be checking out that first link down below for a 60k deposit bonus and a 30% trading fee discount. So make sure to be checking that one out. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I'll see you later.